So in case the voice recorder seems to be missing from your Samsung Galaxy A series, then here's how to fix that little problem. So what you need to do is go to the Galaxy Store, not the Google Play Store, but the Galaxy Store. And then in the Galaxy Store, just tap on the search icon in the top right corner and search for voice recorder. You should see voice recorder among the suggestions. Tap on it. And here is let's just wait for it to load. And you should see the voice recorder by Samsung. So this is the official voice recorder. Here it is. And so you can see clearly it's by Samsung Electronics Company Limited. So make sure you install the correct app. Just tap on the install button at the bottom and allow the app to be installed onto your phone. And once it's done, you can tap on open to launch, or you can just go to the app screen and you should find your voice recorder app. Now, if you want to, you can also long press on it and drag it into the Samsung folder. And then from now on, when you want to use the voice recorder, you can just go to the Samsung apps folder and find the voice recorder there. Okay. So that is basically how to fix that problem in case your Samsung Galaxy A series is missing the default voice recorder. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.